Goats are cute.
Being outside, the connection with nature, the connection with the earth, the connection with things that are natural is really appealing to people. And I know a lot of people came from Arlington and DC, got out of the city, and they don't get to see stuff like this much. And goats are very friendly, and they love people, and they're sort of like friendly dogs.
I wouldn't say it's as meditative as normal yoga can be, but it was an amazing experience. I would definitely do it again.